How do you install aftermarket motor mounts on a 73 Chevy Nova? It's not simple, but so I use this, my drill, drilled out 2 holes. I'm gonna make it look a little pretty, but drill out the 2 holes. That's the only way you can do it, man. Drill. Don't use no torch and fuck your frame up. Just drill 2 holes and just make it neat looking. And then get your wrench. Put a little painter's tape on it. Put the nut in there so it won't fall out. And then you gotta make sure you get a long enough. If you don't have a long enough wrench, I just cut one off and weld it. Made it longer. Anyway, you just stick it in there. Stick it in there, and then you'll be able to see the hole. And you just put the screw in there and just screw it down. That's the only way you're going to be able to do it. As simple as that. Aftermarket. You should do it anyway, even if you're putting in regular motor mounts. You should still do it when you got those old C-clamp motor mounts. You still should drill a hole so you can get to it. Just make it look okay. I'm gonna clean this up here and clean this up right here. Just make it look factory sorta. And yeah, that's how you do it. Very easy, right? Right. Peace.